Sean Voskamp. Captain Max Blanco has informed me that our flying time today to Toronto will be 10 hours 14 minutes of airtime, flown at an altitude of 36,000 feet. The temperature in Toronto, partly cloudy, 8 degrees and climbing. My name is Judy. I'm your in-flight service director, and the crew join with me in welcoming you all on board. And if there's any way we can be of assistance to you, please don't hesitate to call upon us. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. The captain should be pushing back shortly. Everything's finished up here and back there, and sitting down. Just have the cargo door down below to be closed, and then we'll be departing for Toronto. Should be a mostly smooth flight and reasonable weather at Toronto. We will talk to you later in the flight. Please enjoy. Thank you.
The tables come out of our armrests.
Yeah, since we're in the exit room.
Mesdames et messieurs, le commandant des unités que nous sommes terminés et prêts à partir. Et il vous donnera de plus en renseignements à propos de vol dès que nous sommes décollés. Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for pushback, please make sure that your seat belts are fastened and that your chair tables and chair backs are in the upright and locked position. At this time, all the cellular telephones must be in airplane mode. No receiving or transmitting functions is allowed from this point until we have arrived in Toronto. Once again, please turn off your cell phones. Make sure that they are in airplane mode. Your laptop computer should now be safely stowed. And please remove any large headsets that you may have on. Only the very tiny earbud type is permitted for taxi. Once again, please remove your large headsets at this time. Thank you.
Alright, going to be switching seasons overnight here as we go from summer on up to winter. Flights. Goodbye, Southern Hemisphere. Back to the Northern Hemisphere.
Rangez votre tablette et attachez vos ceintures. Les couloirs et les sorties de secours doivent être dégagés. Les bagages ainsi que les appareils électroniques portatifs de grand format, comme les ordinateurs portatifs, doivent être rangés de façon sécuritaire. Les appareils électroniques portatifs doivent être réglés en mode d'avion et seuls les écouteurs boutons branchés au système de déversement peuvent être utilisés ici jusqu'à après le décollage. Merci.
Your phones?
Sure.
I have some.
Thank you.
You want these so you don't have to use those? Okay, sure. If you need them later, you can always get them later too.
O comandante referente com toda a tripulação deseja boas-vindas a todos os passageiros a bordo do nosso voo com destino a Toronto. O nosso voo hoje terá duração de 10 horas e 14 minutos, voando a uma altitude de 36 mil metros. Nossa tripulação está preparada para qualquer emergência, contudo, antes de iniciarmos nossa viagem, gostaríamos de demonstrar um vídeo sobre as medidas de segurança deste Boeing 767. Dirija, por favor, a sua atenção para a tela à sua frente. E preparação final para nossa decolagem, pedimos a todos os passageiros que verifiquem que as costas dos seus assentos e de suas mesas estejam na posição vertical e que seus cintos são bem afivolados.
Second distance of 5,145 miles from Rio de Janeiro to Toronto.
So your badge? I'm sorry, what? Your bag? Come around your neck, come off, and go under your knees. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I just saw the zipper.
And I believe the entire flight will be at night as well. Be able to get nice sleep. If not, there's good movie selection on board, so it'll be pretty awesome. Angie, speaking of movies, Angie's got the movies up already.
Straight out of Compton.
Yeah, so the new vacation movies on there, Pixels, I might watch that as well.
I've been wanting to see the Straight Outta Compton. I like seeing these like real life, up and coming kind of stories. Like how they came from nothing to something. That's good stuff.
Oh yeah, good selection on board.
Like 8 Mile was a really R-rated movie, but it showed like what Eminem went through and how he got there.
Oh yeah. Well, we'll see everybody in the air, right, Mr. Camera? Woo!
Right, Mr. Camera.